Question 11. Susie went to the store to buy apples. The relationship between the cost and the amount of two types of apples are graphed below. So there are the graphs. Susie claims that the green apples cost less per apple than red apples. Based on the graphs, determine which statements support her claim. Select does support or does not support for each statement. So we're going to use the graphs here to answer these questions. And if you look here, cost is on the side. Oops, keep doing that. Cost is on the side, and number of apples is at the bottom. So cost, number of apples. So question 1 statement 1 says 3 green apples cost more than 3 red apples. So to do that, I would go over to the 3 here, and I would go up and I'd place kind of a dot just so I can see. So if you look at the red apples, they cost $1 for every 3 apples. And I would do the same over here. I'd go over to the 3, and I would go over. And 3 green apples cost 75 cents. So I would say that does not support. All right, because red apples actually cost more than green apples. All right. So then, statement 2. The price for 1 green apple is 25 cents, and the price for 1 red apple is 35 cents. Well, if I look at these graphs, if I look at this first graph and I just look at the one right here, it goes up to about there. And I would say that's probably about 35 cents. It's hard to see because it's not perfect, but I would say it's probably accurate. And if I then look at the green apple, 1 green apple, up and over, yep, that hits 25 cents, so that does support. And then finally, 7 green apples cost the same as 5 red apples. So, again, if I look at the red apples, they're first, and I go to the 5 and I go all the way up and all the way over, 5 red apples cost $1.75, and it says 7 green apples, and 7 green apples cost $1.75, so that does support the claim.